definitely in play. The shorter ball this time, a little wayward. And once again, Rizwan a bit late on that one.
It was actually interesting when he was getting his treatment. He was
gone at it, and he's got it all the way for 6. Oh, this will be exciting.
Rizwan absolutely decisive on this occasion, not holding himself back. Got it in the right area and he was ready for it. And so Pakistan end the over on a high. It was a good shot in the end, looking for a 6, and he got a 6 as well. Yeah, got in very good position, got inside the line of that bouncer and just helped himself for a 6.
Wonderfully struck down the ground. Babar Azam moves into the 40s, 42 now.
I mean, that's why we like watching him so much. He's such a wonderful player when he's going. I mean, it was just effortless, absolutely effortless. Just lent on this. It's Rabada bowling that delivery. It's slightly fuller than the previous ones. Just punch it down the ground for 4.
Yeah, I'm impressed with the way Babar Azam is moving this morning. Understanding that KJ Rabada has to come fuller from time to time, but just look at that position he gets him.
Tries a catch it that goes flying over the slip cordon. 100 up for Pakistan, 100 for 3.
Bit of a grin from Rabada. That time just a little bit of extra bounce. It was a flash. He wasn't in any great position to actually play this shot. 3 figures on the board for Pakistan with that boundary coming up. 100 on the board. It was just a little flash, and luckily for him it went over the top.
Yeah, saying up.
That will be 50 for Babar Azam. 28th 50 in Test match cricket. He's 5th against South Africa and he's 2nd in Cape Town. He'll celebrate, but he'll also know that the job is not done.
Yeah, good on him. That's a really good 50. It really is. And he will know that this is the next 50 is the tough bit for him. I said yesterday, for a player of his ability, and I think is an extreme